Welcome to Kingdom Academy. I am your host, Heather Sudbrock, and I just want to really give you a warm and welcome invitation because Kingdom Academy was created to help you. And how I want to help you is literally in the letters of the word. I want to help you heal, equip, launch, and prosper through applied biblical principles. And every episode is going to have one of these elements in it, and everything will be based off biblical principles. The first few episodes of this series will be a little bit different because first I'm going to go over some very foundational ground. And it doesn't mean foundational in the sense of this is 101. It means foundational as in ground that we've lost, that we've allowed the enemy to take from us. But now it's time to take it back. And so we're going to be covering some of those areas we have lost ground to the enemy and how to take those areas back according to the word of God. So if you're in agreement with this plan, then I will be with you in the next episodes.